my freaking gosh, I'm super stoked that you're here. Okay, so if you don't know me, if we haven't met before, my name is Kaylee and I'm a business coach, but I'm more focused on sustainable scaling. So I specifically help solopreneurs. So if you run your own business, service based, maybe you dabble in some products or offers here and there, doesn't matter what you do as long as you exist to help people, I can freaking help you. And Pinterest is the place that you need to be. So I just kind of wanted to give you an overview. Obviously, as you scroll down this page, you're going to see a lot more information about like the hype, right? I'm trying to get you excited, also bring you to attention of realizing, dude, Pinterest can literally help you so much. But if you're a natural skeptic like me, I'm literally a natural skeptic with everything in life. I'm like, I need more information before I just jump in. So that's literally what I'm here to give you is I am not holding anything back. I want to show you exactly what is inside. Sorry, I have an itch on my foot. I want to show you exactly what's inside the Pinterest Powerhouse. That way, when you join, there's no surprises and we can lay everything out there on the table. So I have had the Pinterest Powerhouse out for a few years now, and about 2 weeks ago, I'm recording this the beginning of May, I completely redid everything inside of it. I am a perfectionist. I don't like putting things out there if it's not perfect. If you can relate, then amazing. We'd get along very well. But for me, whenever I put something out there, I want to make sure that it is literally chef's kiss so I can feel proud about it and excited to one, sell it, but also have other people join and get the results that I want you to get, right? You want to get these amazing results. I want you to get these amazing results. So if a product is not perfect, in my opinion, then I have to redo it until it is great. So, or greater than great, right? So that's literally what I did to the entire curriculum here. And I redid it, which is with what is called the reach framework. I've had way too much coffee. Clearly, there's 4 shots of espresso in that bad boy. Okay, so this is the reach framework. This is what the entire Pinterest Powerhouse was reworked around. And I just want to give you a sneak peek real quick of what these Canva presentations look like, or the slides look like. So this is the old curriculum here. Okay. It was cool. It was great. It was helpful. But as you can see, the new curriculum, these are all of the new slides with all of updated information, new modules, new examples, new strategies, a whole new creative and development process to help you market your business on Pinterest. So let's dive right in because I love 1,000 disclaimers and side stories, but getting right to it. So the reach framework. I don't have a ton of videos inside of the introduction. I just want to get straight to it. Welcome. Here's what you can expect. Here's what you can look forward to achieving with marketing your business on Pinterest. And then here's the reach framework, which we're going to come back to here in 1 second. Each quarter, there's going to be updated best practices. And if there's nothing new with Pinterest, because to be completely honest, there's not a lot of changes. I've been using Pinterest as a personal user since 2012 and using it to market my business since the end of 2019. I also have a photography company, so I've been using Pinterest for both companies, Elevated and my Kaylee Miller photography business, for a really freaking long time, right? Not much has changed about the platform. However, I do feel like you can always learn more, and there's new ways that I'm always learning too as a coach. There's new ways with me investing in my business that I always want to teach you. So updated best practices will be here, but for right now, since I just redid this, there's not really anything right there. So going straight into it, it doesn't matter whether you've never used Pinterest before. Maybe you've only ever used it for like living room inspiration or, Easter dessert recipe ideas, whatever it may be. Maybe you've only used it for personal. It doesn't matter whether you have a ton of marketing experience or a ton of social media marketing experience, or say you don't really have a lot. You're kind of a newbie. You're new to your business, new to marketing. It literally doesn't matter. You could be an expert or you could be a newbie, a beginner, whatever you want to call it. This course is literally outlined to give you anything and everything that you need to meet you where you're at. So getting started, the basics, it's just kind of to help you understand how to set up your business account, how to navigate the platform. Here are some tools I would recommend that you use inside of the Pinterest platform in general to make sure that as we pull apart, break down this framework, you're doing exactly what you need to do. That way you're working smarter, not harder. So years from now, your pins are still driving traffic to your business and you don't have to keep always posting new content that's draining you like every other platform. So the reach framework, I changed my mind. We're going to come back up here and I'm going to show you what this is first. So this is exactly what the platform looks like. Simple, easy to digest videos. REACH stands for something, so it's an acronym. It stands for repurposing your content, enhancing it with keywords, automating it for consistency, converting the traffic that you drive to your business with Pinterest, and then heighten and analyze. So basically continuing to do what works really well. That way you're not wasting your time and you're only continuing your efforts to make sure that you're guaranteed to get results back. So that's exactly what the REACH framework was created for, right? And I completely redid everything inside of the Pinterest Powerhouse here. So you can see there's going to be a parentheses with, a letter there that stands for which part of the framework we're going to be breaking down. So R, reach. We're focusing on putting your business in front of new people every single day. Every pin is a possibility, right? Same thing. Moving forward into E, which is what we use in Pinterest. The platform is based around search engine optimization, which stands for SEO, which I'm sure you've seen, everywhere. Kind of like with Google, you can rank your business and your blog posts on Google. So that way when people search for it, your content or your website pops up. That's exactly what we're doing here inside of Pinterest. So that's where E comes into enhancing with keywords, making sure that your content isn't just posted with strategy, but it's posted with intention. So that way when people go to search for things, your content is popping up 2 weeks, 2 months, 2 years later. Now we're moving into A and C, which is automating for consistency and then, converting the traffic that you send to your business, content that converts, breaking down all of the best practices, how to make sure that you're maximizing traffic and growth with Pinterest. But then, of course, what to do with that traffic that you drive is just carrying it over here into converting, tracking your analytics, and then there's an entire tutorial on how to use Tailwind so that way you can actually batch all of your pins by only spending 2 hours a month. Literally 2 hours a month, not a week, not a day, not 2 hours in a month, and then extra time, literally 2 hours to schedule out hundreds of pins for that month that are going to continue working for you years down the road. So that is literally everything inside of the Pinterest Powerhouse. I do want to show you too here. If you click on some of these videos, there's additional resources down below. So I have templates, I have a couple different types of templates for tracking your analytics. I provide you with additional tools, how you can get set up, adding things onto your website and just into your Pinterest platform or your account in general, to make sure that you're tracking and analyzing tools and templates and stuff for building out your funnels, literally everything. So I highly recommend joining. Obviously, I'm biased because I created it, but just because Pinterest in general, this isn't me telling you my knowledge. It's like, yes, I'm telling you my knowledge of everything that I've learned too, but I also took all of the other students who have joined, gave me feedback. I implemented it into this new curriculum here, and literally took everything that Pinterest stands for, put it into some slides. I'm not teaching you about it. This isn't just like, hey, here's how I grow my business. No, this is literally customized to be rinsable and repeatable. Did I just make up a word? To rinse and repeat with your business. It doesn't matter what niche that you have, taking everything inside of here, rinsing and repeating it. That way your content that you already have in your camera roll, you already have posted on social media platforms, you're taking that content, the work that's already done. If you're a photographer, you already have the photos done, right? And you're just using this rinse and repeat strategy with the Reach framework. Okay, I feel like I'm talking in circles, but literally it's amazing. That's what it's here for, to show you how to implement it, to literally carry it into any niche. So yeah, that's everything inside of the Pinterest platform, Pinterest Powerhouse, and inside of the course platform here. That way you can see what it looks like. I do just want to also tell you real quick. So I did the math. I wrote it down. All of the videos, because there's a ton of videos inside. So there's 444 minutes total of the videos here. Because if you're sitting there like, okay, well, I don't have a lot of time, I'm not very good at starting or finishing courses once I start them. Guilty, literally same. But there's 444 minutes of recorded content inside of this, course platform here. That is 7 hours and 24 minutes. Now, if you have some questions, I already did the math for you, so let's break it down here together. 444 minutes inside of the platform here. I've got my calculator, that's what I'm looking at. 444 minutes divided by 30. So say you did 30 minutes a day. Say you don't have a lot of time, but at the end of the day, you sit on your phone and you scroll on TikTok for like 2 hours. Yeah. One of the worst things that you can possibly do whenever you sit there and claim that you don't have enough time. I'm very big on that. If you say you don't have enough time, I guarantee you that I can find time in your schedule that you can make time for what you want, right? And we're talking about your business here. We're not talking about you working for someone else or something that you don't want to do. You want to grow your business. So I'm going to help you uncover some of those blocks, because I'm very big. Like I said, I'm a natural skeptic, but I often make excuses as well. So if you're like, okay, well, I don't really have time to join, or I don't have time to go through it, I promise you that you do. Even if you only have 30 minutes a day, 444 minutes of recorded content in here divided by 30 minutes a day is 14.8. You can't have 14.8 days. So that is 15 days. You could have this entire course consumed and digested in literally 15 days, which is 2 weeks and 1 day to the T. Or if you want to sit down and kind of just do a little bit more at a time, 90 minutes. Say you sit down and you do 90 minutes a day. Say you have like an easy week coming up or something. 4.9 is what that number would be. 444 minutes divided by 90. Can't have 4.9 days. You can only have 5 days. So that is 5 days. You could have this entire course consumed and digested in 5 days. I would recommend an extra week for implementing, just to make sure that you're taking your time and you're not rushing through it. So if you're doing 30 minutes a day, that is 15 days plus 7 days. That's 21 days. That is 3 weeks. Did I do that math right? I think. Maybe I did, maybe I didn't. I don't know. That is 21 days. We'll just go 21. 3 weeks. You can literally have everything inside of the Pinterest Powerhouse consumed, digested, and implemented, or even sooner if you take on more and, you take on bigger chunks. But anyways, if you have any questions about what's inside, feel free to let me know. But yes, I am biased because I did create it and I'm obsessed with Pinterest. But I'm just saying, if you want to make your content that's already created work harder for you in the long run, then you need to join inside. So I will see you there.